Good morning, everyone. We are going to LX Factory right now to meet up with my parents. LX Factory is pretty cool. It's like a very industrial place with crazy types of art. And then we probably gonna go food tripping later as well and try some really good foods that we saw. So show you what we do, okay?
Hello, welcome to day 4. We're starting off the day at Alex Factory. Just check out the art.
I like the way it feels to be on your screen, your skin on me. You's a pretty little Barbie playing with me, Tamagotchi you do. Girl, you hold me oh so softly and you feed me and you watch me, you do.
Like boba.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Is that matcha?
Yeah. Oh no, it's a restaurant. I thought it was like a bunch of like matcha drinks, like different kinds, but it's not. It looks like a food place, a restaurant.
Babe, you keep me in your pocket with your keys and with your wallet, you do. Where you pressing on my buttons, you be turning at me on, yeah, you do.
This area is so cool. It's like an art district or something. Different like art styles or whatever covering this whole street. A lot of photo op spots and yeah.
Hello!
So this stuff.
Oh, it's okay.
Where are we?
Picture ko kayo painting!
Dito sa ano?
We're in the Golden
Babae.
Bridge, but the second one, look up. We got ice cream!
Whoa!
So this children's book basically has the history of Lisbon and has the important areas you want to visit and some of the history. Even at the end, it has a little checklist of places that you may want to visit.
Oh wow.
Yes. So everything you need to know, Lisbon or Lisboa has things like the colors, the language, the different monuments and buildings. Even has favorite foods. Coffee guide. Very important coffee guide. Everything you need to know.
Nice. You buying it?
Yes, I am.
Write it to you.
I don't know if I fit.
So each one is a different store. So like this was a charcuterie thing. This is a tattoo place. Roma wants to get a tattoo. She can go there. And there's more over there. I don't know what's over there, so let's go check it out.
What do you think about LX Factory?
It's nice. It's a nice little shopping area. It's 86 degrees, so it is a little bit burning, but there's a lot of shops to see.
at Oakberry. As we were walking around LX Factory, I saw this poster that showed like an acai smoothie. And I was like, wow, on a hot day like this, smoothie sounds extremely necessary. And so we looked for this place and we ordered 2 smoothies. So let's see how it is, huh? Acai smoothie. It's nice and refreshing on this warm, blazing day. Good morning. It is almost 9 p.m. on day 4, and mom and dad leave tomorrow for Spain, so we're gonna have dinner with them at this place called Cervejaria Ramiro, and Mark Wines ate there, and that place looks absolutely delicious. There are a bunch of reviews on Yelp for that place, and it has very, very high ratings. And this is my fit of the day, fit of the night actually. And look at the color scheme and look at everyone else's. We're all matching.
Yes, that's right.
We're all matching. Yup, vibing. We're freaking vibing. Vibing, bro. Yeah, man.
Scream, you scream, we can never play it fair. Thought you're on my team, don't you ever dare bench me, cause you know I'm your favorite player. If you wanna, we can take it there. Summer nights, you're my favorite girl. We can face the world, we stay up.
We are at Ramiro's.
It is 9:38
p.m.
The wait is 1 hour.
It's crazy.
Yeah, you can see how many people there are.
It's packed. Definitely
Yeah.
packed for a Friday night.
What did you find on the menu, Mom?
Oh my goodness, finally, I've been craving for this. Vino Verde.
What is that?
It's a green wine. Yeah.
Popular here.
Yes.
Why is it green? Is it because the grapes they use are green?
Maybe.
Oh, okay.
What's happening?
We're finally gonna eat.
How long was the wait?
Almost 2 hours. Oh my goodness. It's crazy.
It's gonna be worth it.
They said it's worth it, so we'll see.
Y al despertar, siempre te vas.
For you. All right. Cheers, everybody. It's a vacation time. How is the green wine?
Whoa. It just tastes like regular wine.
But green.
Mente llamarme es obvio, no voy a contestar. Yo sé que eso está mal y me cuesta aceptarlo, pero lastimas, me lastimas. Y es la verdad, me cuesta aceptarlo, pero bebé tú lastimas.
How's the food?
Yum.
Yummy.
Fantastic.
Mom? How's the clams?
Worth it. So good.
Fantastic.
We have spider crab coming up, and this spider crab is like broken up to make it look like a spider, and they use the main shell to create this sort of soupy concoction for you to enjoy. So I'm excited to really give that a try.
Real or boiled? Real? Yeah. Real, yeah?
Crazy. Okay, what are you eating?
Looks like I'm eating barnacles. So, looks like the meat right here. Cheers. Tastes like seafood.
It's oddly enough, it's really salty, right? Really salty. Texture of a mussel. Yeah, it tastes pretty good.
Wow, these oysters are incredible. We had oysters at the Time Out Market, but this is hecka good. You have to try their oysters.
Cheers, Dad. Cheers. Green wine. Verde. Vinho verde. Oh my gosh. That is so... The cigarette. Let's throw on the floor. Sa babae ba? Oh.
I don't know.
Yeah. Be sure to dodge the cigarettes because there's flying cigarettes in this place.
Mom, I didn't expect to like this.
Oh, really? Wow. Hindi ka mahilig sa seafood?
Hindi mahilig ko sa seafood eh, pero ngayon she likes it, pati clams, huh?
Yeah.
This is a rock lobster, and they grilled it. As you can see, there's some grill marks on it, and it looks like they put some sauce on it. Or is that the back? But I'm excited to try this out.
Oh, you use that?
So good.
Oh yeah,
Do you want to try it with the sauce?
it's good.
This is the spider crab.
Hawak pa ganun sa tatay niya. Sa sarap.
It's so good. How do you like the food?
Priceless. That's all I can say. You gotta try it when you're here in Lisbon.
It's so worth it. Waiting for almost 2 hours.
Yeah, it was worth it.
Speechless.
I thought it was just
It is 12:40, and we just finished eating dinner at Ramiro's.
And our rides.
Oh yeah, our ride's right there.
We're just waiting for our ride.
Yeah.